Tonight, we all come together to mark 65 years of passion and performance. And frankly, nothing makes the heart beat faster than the sight and sound of a Chevrolet Corvette. Isn't that something?
Tonight, we truly begin something that I believe is a new era for Corvette right here in the Middle East. Introducing to the world the 2019 Corvette ZR1.
Thank you very much and good evening. Well, as you can see, the rumors are true. The Corvette ZR1 is back, and it's better than ever.
Now, this incredible ZR1 is the result of close collaboration between design and engineering teams, creating a synergy between form and function, optimizing the power and the handling into a beautiful Corvette supercar.
Corvette is iconic. There is absolutely no question. It's known around the world. And tonight, you know, the ZR1 is the pinnacle. And when you look at the hood and you look at the engine, you have to smile. And so it's a very exciting evening for us.
I think what makes it iconic is, first of all, there's a character to Corvette. It has incredibly voluptuous shapes and forms, all driven by sculpture.
ZR1's always been kind of the top of the heap in terms of performance, and we've evolved it into not just the best performance, but the best all-around car.